foodies, it's Tamara. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to the food family. If you're already a foodie, then welcome back. In today's video, we are going to make cornbread. It's a quick recipe, simple recipe, not a lot of ingredients, and let's get into this video. So like I mentioned, it's a quick recipe, not a lot of items, not a lot of ingredients, and let's get into this cornbread making. So I'm using, in this bowl, I have 1 cup of flour and I have 3/4 cups of cornmeal. I also have half a teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. So that's going for 40 seconds. So now in this bowl, I'm going to add my eggs. So there's 2 eggs, or this ramekins, 2 eggs. I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I have a 1/3 cup of honey. My microwave is going off with the butter. Could use a whisk to whisk this up, but I didn't want to be bothered with a lot of the cleanup, so I'm just not gonna do butter. I'm also gonna add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. As I'm not a baker, I just like the odd pastry. The complicated ones I'm not even gonna attempt. But the basic ones, like a banana bread or cornbread or a plain cake or so on, then yes, I can do, because it's just straightforward, it's easy. So putting that aside. So in this bowl, I have a cup of flour, 3/4 cups of cornmeal, a half teaspoon of kosher salt, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I have 3/4 cup of sugar. And then combined, I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream, I have 2 eggs, I have a 1/3 cup of honey, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So I'm just gonna combine these items. And I sifted the flour to allow air inside. So I'm just stirring this up.
I'm also gonna add about a cup, 3/4 cup of milk. here's my batter. Here's my batter. Oh guys, I forgot the melted butter. Ha! So that goes in. Added a little bit of butter, grease the pan. I can easily take out my cornbread when it's cooked. Here's my cornbread or cornbread. So I baked it at 350 for about 40 minutes or until it's done. Depending on your oven, it may take less time, but it looks pretty and it's beautiful and I'm in love. That's the fat kid in me that's in love with it. Or maybe I should say foodie in me that's in love with it. It's my cornbread, guys. Say hello to my cornbread. Hi cornbread. I love you. You'll get mashed down later when it's cool. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things, the wall of them, do the wall I do the most. Thank me for cooking. Stay true to yourself. And we'll cook another day.